What if I told you that a clean home isn't just about sweeping floors or folding clothes neatly? In Japan, cleanliness is a philosophy, a way of living that shapes not just homes, but hearts. From the layout of a tatami room to the way shoes are left at the door, every detail whispers the same truth. A clean space is a clear mind. Today, we're unlocking the Japanese secrets to a clean home and why the rest of the world can learn more than just cleaning tips from them. In Japan, cleaning is not a chore. It's a ritual, a moment of mindfulness. The Japanese word suji, saochu, means more than tidying up. It literally means to sweep away dust and disorder, both physically and spiritually. From childhood, Japanese people are taught that the environment around them reflects the state of their mind. That's why even school children clean their classrooms every day, not because it's cheap labor, but because it builds discipline, respect, and responsibility. In Japan, cleanliness isn't just about hygiene, it's about harmony. A clean home represents peace, balance, and gratitude for the space that shelters you. Every Japanese home begins with a simple, quiet ritual: removing your shoes. At first glance, it might seem like mere etiquette, but in Japan, it's far deeper. The small space at the entrance, known as the genkan, shingon, is more than just a threshold. It's a sacred divider between the outer world and the inner world. Outside lies the realm of dust, noise, and endless movement. Inside lies stillness, purity, and peace. When you step into a Japanese home, you pause at the genkan. You take off your shoes, turn them neatly to face the door, and step up into the raised floor, often made of wood or tatami. That single step represents crossing from chaos into calm. Even the direction of the shoes matters. Placing them facing the door symbolizes readiness to return to the world with gratitude. It's an unspoken reminder to leave behind the burdens of the day before entering your personal sanctuary. Indoor slippers are provided, but there's also a clear boundary even within this boundary. Bathroom slippers are separate, ensuring that what belongs in one space never contaminates another. This habit, passed down for centuries, keeps dirt from spreading but also preserves mental clarity, because when your environment has order, so does your mind. In Japan, cleaning begins before a single broom is lifted. It starts the moment you step inside, with respect for where you are and awareness of what you bring in. Step into a Japanese living room and you'll notice something striking: the absence of clutter. There are no overflowing shelves, no piles of unused things gathering dust. Instead, space feels intentional, balanced, and serene. This is minimalism, but not the Western version that focuses only on aesthetics. In Japan, minimalism is spiritual. It's rooted in Zen Buddhism and Shinto beliefs that teach the value of simplicity, mindfulness, and harmony with nature. Every object in a Japanese home serves a purpose. The teacup is used daily and cherished. The cushion on the tatami mat isn't decorative, it's part of daily life. Even the arrangement of items follows a philosophy. If it doesn't serve function or joy, it doesn't belong. Clutter is seen as a form of mental noise. It blocks clarity and peace. By keeping only what truly matters, Japanese homes create an atmosphere that allows the mind to rest. That's why neutral tones dominate: beige, cream, light wood. Natural materials like bamboo, linen, and paper connect people to nature, while low furniture grounds them physically and emotionally. In such a room, emptiness is not emptiness at all, it's freedom. A minimalist space is not a lack of things, but an abundance of peace. Every December in Japan, something beautiful happens. Before the new year begins, families across the country take part in Osoji, dasauchu, the great cleaning. It's not just a house chore, it's a cultural ceremony. For the Japanese, the new year is a sacred moment of renewal. And to welcome good fortune, the old year's dust, both physical and emotional, must be cleared away. During Osoji, the entire household joins in. Children wipe walls and floors. Parents scrub kitchens, air out futons, and clean windows until they sparkle. No corner is left untouched. The act symbolizes cleansing the past year's worries and purifying the home to make space for blessings. But beneath this lies a profound truth: cleanliness and clarity are linked. How can happiness enter a home or a heart cluttered with yesterday's dirt? Osoji reminds everyone that cleaning is not punishment. It's renewal. It's a ritual of reflection, to look back with gratitude, let go of what no longer serves you, and open the door to new beginnings. When the last cloth is folded and the air smells fresh and light, the home doesn't just look clean. It feels reborn. In Japan, cleaning isn't something reserved for weekends or guests. It's part of everyday life. Cleanliness flows through the rhythm of each day, woven into the fabric of ordinary routines. Every morning, futons are neatly folded and stored away. This simple act transforms the bedroom into a living space again, reminding everyone that order begins with discipline. After every meal, counters are wiped clean. When clothes are washed, they're hung neatly on the balcony, catching the gentle sunlight. Before bedtime, dishes are washed, shoes are arranged, and tomorrow is prepared. Nothing is left to pile up, because small actions, done consistently, prevent chaos from ever forming. This is what psychologists today call a habit loop, but in Japan, it's been instinctive for centuries. By maintaining micro-cleaning habits, Japanese people keep their homes perpetually in balance, clean, calm, and inviting. And over time, cleaning becomes effortless, almost meditative. Each motion, sweeping, wiping, folding, centers the mind and brings presence into the moment. To the Japanese, a clean home isn't a goal to achieve, it's a way of living daily. In Japanese culture, everything, every item, every tool, every corner of a room, is treated with respect. This reverence comes from Shinto, Japan's indigenous spirituality, which teaches that all things, living or not, contain a divine essence, known as kami-san. To disrespect an object is to disregard the spirit within it. That's why even broken objects aren't thrown away mindlessly. They're repaired thoughtfully, sometimes even made more beautiful through kintsugi, jinji, the art of mending cracked pottery with gold. Instead of hiding flaws, they highlight them, transforming imperfection into beauty. This mindset extends to cleaning. When a person wipes down a table, they're not just removing dust. They're expressing gratitude for the table's service, for holding meals, work, and memories. When they sweep the floor, they do so gently, almost as though they're caring for a living being. To the Japanese, the home is alive. It breathes. It shelters. It listens. And cleaning, therefore, becomes an act of love, a quiet thank you to the space that protects you, comforts you, and gives you peace. The Japanese approach to cleaning is elegant in its simplicity. No bulky vacuums, no complex machines. Instead, they rely on precision, mindfulness, and efficiency. You'll often find hand brooms made of natural fibers, zokin, jajin, cloth sewn from old towels, and small dustpans that allow for focused, intentional cleaning. Nothing is wasted. Even the cleaning tools themselves carry a story. Many households use gentle, natural cleaners, vinegar, baking soda, or citrus peel water, instead of harsh chemicals. Not only do these protect the environment, but they also preserve the calm, natural scent of the home. Cleaning is done quietly, without rush or noise. Each motion is controlled, deliberate, even rhythmic, as if turning an ordinary task into a mindful dance. There's a balance between function and mindfulness. The Japanese philosophy of kaizen, gasan, small, continuous improvement, applies even here. Every swipe of the cloth, every sweep of the broom, is a small step toward harmony. For them, the goal is not just to make things look clean, it's to make them feel pure. In Japan, the home is not just a physical shelter, it's an extension of the self. Its state mirrors your inner world. A cluttered room can cloud your thoughts, while an organized space brings calm and focus. When your surroundings are balanced, your spirit naturally follows. That's why Japanese cleaning culture isn't driven by perfectionism, it's guided by presence. To clean is to slow down, to connect, to listen to the quiet around you. Each moment spent tidying is an act of mindfulness, of becoming aware of where you are and what surrounds you. It's a chance to reset not only your environment, but your emotions. Because in truth, cleanliness in Japan is not about spotless walls or shiny floors. It's about harmony between people, objects, and the spaces they share. To live clean is to live consciously. To live consciously is to live beautifully. Maybe that's the real secret. Cleanliness isn't about effort. It's about attitude. The Japanese don't clean because they have to. They clean because they want to live beautifully. Because to them, beauty doesn't begin in art galleries or gardens. It begins right here, in the quiet rhythm of a broom, the soft fold of a futon, and the peaceful glow of an uncluttered room. So next time you clean, don't just tidy your space. Clear your mind. Because as the Japanese say, a clean home is the beginning of a clear heart.